Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today is a different kind of video that I'm trying to make it. Today is a food blog. So I am making cheesy chicken fillet tonight. I have some special recipes out here and I will show the entire process of how I prepare this food. Let me show you guys now. I have a special mix of spices out here. I have a chicken slice that I chopped myself. I have a mushroom here which I need to chop still more. I have a green pepper out here. I need to chop some of this. I have a Swiss cheese out here and I have a red onion as well. So you guys can still use white onion, and the special recipe for this one is I have Italian bread out here. So basically these are the ingredients that we are supposed to use it in order to make a cheesy chicken fillet. So at first we'll put some olive oil onto the pan. I'll put some chicken on it. There we go. This for almost 15 to 20 minutes, so until it's like I want to try to make a little soft. Black pepper out here on the chicken. Viewers, this is a homemade cheesy chicken fillet. Basically, it's not exact similar like cheese fillet. I'm trying to add some mushroom. Looks like chicken is a little brown now, so on top of it I'm adding some mushroom. One thing about this recipe is like I'm not trying to cook it like fully, so basically, cheesy chicken fillet is a kind of sandwich. So I'll try to put all those things that I prepared here. Since I personally don't like toasting the bread, so I'll basically put on top of it. Put this on top of it. As per your requirement, you can put the fillings. Alright, so finally cheesy chicken fillet is ready. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and keep watching my videos. Thank you.